Have you ever scrolled through social media and wondered how influencers, entrepreneurs, and celebrities manage to live such extravagant lives? Their homes, their fashion, their vacations. It seems like they're always living the dream. But what if we told you that you don't have to break the bank to live like that? You can fake wealth and live a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets to living big without the hefty price tag. Let's dive right in. 1. Cultivate the right mindset. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, the first thing you need to do is change your mindset. To truly fake wealth, it's all about perception. It's not about spending money you don't have, but rather making smart choices to create an image of luxury and success. The goal is to look the part and feel confident doing it, whether you're attending a social event or simply running errands. Luxury is all about the experience, not the price tag. Start thinking like someone who's already wealthy. This means paying attention to details, maintaining high standards for yourself, and making your surroundings match the lifestyle you're trying to project. 2. Invest in timeless fashion. One of the easiest ways to fake wealth is through your clothing. While you don't need to buy the latest designer clothes, you should invest in timeless, well-made pieces that give off an air of sophistication. Think tailored suits, crisp shirts, elegant shoes, and minimalist accessories. The key here is not how much you spend, but how well you wear what you have. Avoid loud logos or flashy branding. Wealthy individuals often wear simple, understated clothing that speaks volumes through quality rather than quantity. Classic, neutral colors like navy, black, beige, and white will never go out of style and are perfect for building a wardrobe that screams luxury. 3. Create a luxurious living space. Your home is another place where you can fake wealth without breaking the bank. Think about luxury hotels and upscale real estate. They are often minimalist, well-lit, and organized. You don't need a mansion to achieve this look. The key is investing in a few key pieces and creating an environment that feels refined. Start by decluttering your space. Wealthy people are often associated with neatness and simplicity, so get rid of unnecessary items that make your space look crowded. Next, focus on lighting. Ambient lighting can make any space feel more upscale. Consider using LED floor lamps, decorative table lamps, or even string lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. 4. Fine dining on a budget. We all associate wealth with fine dining at upscale restaurants, but you can still enjoy a luxurious dining experience without paying restaurant prices. Instead of dining out at expensive spots every week, try hosting dinner parties at home with friends. Invest in quality ingredients, such as fresh seafood, premium cuts of meat, and organic produce, and cook your meals from scratch. The act of cooking and serving a gourmet meal at home feels just as luxurious as dining at a 5-star restaurant. When you do go out to eat, look for hidden gems that offer upscale dining experiences without the sky-high prices. Many upscale restaurants have lunch menus or offer special deals during the week. You can also opt for fine dining establishments in less expensive areas or during off-peak times to get the same meal for a fraction of the cost. 5. Travel like a VIP. Luxury travel doesn't have to mean first-class flights and 5-star hotels. There are countless ways to enjoy high-end travel experiences on a budget. Start by looking for travel deals and using travel apps that help you find affordable luxury accommodations. Websites like Airbnb and VRBO offer beautiful homes, apartments, and villas that can make you feel like you're living the high life without paying luxury hotel prices. When it comes to flying, booking tickets early and traveling off-peak can save you hundreds. If you want to feel like you're traveling in luxury, you don't need to fly first class. Opt for the best economy seats available or look into upgrading using travel points or miles. Another insider trick is booking business class tickets for long-haul flights by strategically using airline rewards programs. 6. Cultivate VIP social circles. The world of the wealthy often revolves around exclusive events and connections. But you don't need to be born into privilege to get access to these spaces. Start by building your social capital. Attend events that attract high-net-worth individuals or join social clubs that align with your interests. You don't need to be rich to join a wine club or a country club. Many organizations offer memberships for those looking to network with like-minded individuals. Remember, it's not about spending money to impress others, but about cultivating relationships. Wealthy individuals often get access to exclusive parties, private dinners, and high-profile networking events. And by building connections with these people, you can start to experience this world for yourself. 7. Master the art of networking. The wealthiest people are experts at networking, not just for business, but for opportunities in every area of their lives. Start attending networking events, workshops, and conferences in your area or even virtually. Don't focus on what you can get, but rather on building genuine relationships with others. Networking is about positioning yourself in the right circles, And if you cultivate the right relationships, you'll be surprised at the opportunities that come your way. A strong network opens doors to free tickets to events, exclusive invitations to private parties, and even access to investment opportunities or business ventures that you wouldn't have had access to otherwise. 8. Be smart about your finances. If you want to fake wealth, one of the most important things to master is managing your finances. While you may not be a millionaire yet, there are still smart ways to make your money work for you. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. Invest in assets that can generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, or side businesses that align with your interests. Wealthy people aren't just good at making money, they're great at managing it. They keep their finances in check, live below their means, and invest wisely. The more disciplined you are with your finances, the easier it becomes to fake wealth, and eventually build real wealth. Conclusion: living a luxurious lifestyle on a budget isn't about pretending to be something you're not. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, making thoughtful choices, and creating the illusion of wealth through smart decisions. No matter your budget, thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos that are all about spreading the right message and creating positive, safe content. See you in the next one.